question is find the derivative of x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 7x plus 4 times root x minus 5. So let us denote this function by y. So we have let y be equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 7x plus 4 root x minus 5. And now we differentiate with respect to x and we'll obtain dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to a derivative of x raised to 4 is 4 times x cube minus, now 3 is the coefficient, so 3 times derivative of x square, that is 2x, minus 7, again 7 is the coefficient, into derivative of x, which is 1, plus 4, the coefficient, into derivative of root x, which is 1 upon 2 root x, minus derivative of 5, which is a constant, so derivative of 5 is 0. So finally we have 4x cube minus 3 into 2x, so that's 6x, minus 7 into 1, that's 7. Now we could reduce this 4 out here, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s is 4. Now 2 times 1, so that's plus 2 upon root x. So this is dy by dx.